So this is my portfolio website. It has a clean navigation bar at the top, a hero section where I introduce myself, an about section, a project section, and finally a contact section. The goal of this project is to create a simple but professional looking website to showcase your skills and woe. Okay, let's start with the HTML file. First, I have a basic structure using the doc type declaration, followed by the HTML, head, and body tags. Inside the head section, I've added meta tag for responsiveness and linked my CSS file. Now inside the body, the first part is a header section. Here I created a navigation bar using the nav tag. Inside it, I have a logo and an unordered list which contains links like home, about, projects, and contact. Next, I created a hero section using a section tag with an ID of home. This section contains a heading where I introduce myself, a short paragraph, and a button. After that, I have the About section. This is a simple section where I describe myself and my interests. Then comes the Project section. Here I created a container using a div, and inside it I added multiple cards. Each card represents a project with a title and a short description. Finally, I created the Contact section where I added my email so people can reach out to me. At the end, I added a footer with a copyright, GHT message. Now let's move to the CSS part. First, I applied a universal selector to remove default margin and padding, and I set a common font for the whole website. Then I styled the Navbar. I used Flexbox to align items horizontally and space them properly using justify content and align items. I also added a background color and some padding. For the hero section, I set the height and used a gradient background to make it look modern. I used Flexbox again to center everything both vertically and horizontally. For the about and contact sections, I added padding and kept the text centered to maintain a clean layout. In the project section, I used Flexbox to arrange the cards. I also added a hover effect, so when you move your mouse over a card, it slightly enlarges, giving a nice interactive feel. Finally, I styled the footer with a dark backgrounder, ND centered text. Now let me show you how the website looks in the browser. As you can see, the navigation bar is working, the layout is clean, and the hover effects are smooth. This is a simple but effective portfolio design. So that's how I built my portfolio website using HTML and CSS. You can customize this by adding your own projects, changing colors, or improving the design further. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.